Tragedy struck at the SCTEX Toll Plaza in Tarlac on May 1 when a multi-vehicle collision left 10 people dead and 20 others injured. Here's the report.
10 people were confirmed dead and more than 20 others were injured in a multi-vehicle collision at the SCTEX Toll Plaza in Tarlac on May 1. The pileup involved a Solid North passenger bus, a van, 2 SUVs, and a container truck. Initial investigation revealed that the crash happened when the bus slammed into a stationary SUV, which was waiting at the toll gate along with several other vehicles. The impact triggered a chain reaction, causing the SUV to crash into the vehicles ahead.
Pagising ko na lang, wala. Sobrang lakas na ng impact. Kasi simula nung pagsakay ko pa lang sa Dao Bus Stop Terminal, nakatulog na kagad ako. Tapos pagising ko, nangyari na kagad yung insidente. Parang ano rin po kasi dito sa mukha ko. Parang ang tawag doon, nabugbog. Pagkagising ko po, gulo-gulo na lahat ng upuan sa loob ng bus.
Authorities said the bus driver fell asleep behind the wheel. The injured were rushed to the Tarlac Provincial Hospital for treatment.
Karamihan po doon na mga injured po rito, hindi pa po kilala yung karamihan. Kasi wala pong mga ibang pagkakakilanlan. So kasalukuyan pa pong iniimbestigahan pa po ng ating mga investigador yung kanilang mga pagkakakilanlan. So ito po, sana po ngayon is sa mga manonood ninyo is makarating sa kanila na nasa Tarlac Provincial Hospital pa po yung karamihan na unidentified pa po.
Among those hospitalized were the bus driver and conductor, who are now in the custody of the Tarlac City Police. In response to the incident, Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon has directed the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board to suspend Solid North's operations immediately. They will conduct a thorough investigation and require the bus company to undergo mandatory safety checks and other audits.